Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a Destash video. Yay! So normally twice a year there is a craft sale in my area. They call it it's kind of like a garage sale for crafters. You know, you sell your used items, and it's a really fun event. I won't be doing it this spring, so I thought I would try to destash a few items here on YouTube. I don't have that much to get rid of, so that's why I'm not joining the sale this year. So let's see. So for the destash, it is PayPal, friends and family, US only, must be at least 18 years old. Please pay within 1 hour of receipt of the email confirmation. You're going to email me at fphandmade@gmail.com if you're interested in purchasing one of the lots. So once again, PayPal, friends and family only, US, must be at least 18 years old, and please pay within 1 hour of receipt of email confirmation from me. And my email address, once again, fphandmade@gmail.com. So I will turn off the comment section below, and so email me please if you're interested. So let's get started. So the first lot, I believe, is mixed lot, and this is $25 ship. It's 7 stamp sets and 1 die set. So here is the die set. It's the Alta New Orange Blossom. Super cute. And then I have this Colorado Craft Company large stamp set. It's called Big and Bold. Super cute. Look at that ice cream. And then I have a Hero Arts stamp set. Let's see what the name of this one is. I don't have, hand-drawn everyday messages. There you go. This little cutie from Little Birdie. This Spellbinder set would be great for masculine cards. This stamp set by Made It. And it is a little discolored, but that doesn't hurt the stamp itself as far as what you stamp out. Look at these cute little hearts on here. And this stamp set by Raising Boat. And it's kind of like a love child. Well, it's called Peace and Smiles, but super cute. And then last but not least is the stamp set. And it's from, I'm not sure. It's called All Occasions Sentiments, CS. I don't know who that is off the top of my head, and it will come in this Avery L envelope as well as this one. So that is lot 1. And it's $25 ship. There you go. And now for lot 2. There's only 2 items in this lot, and this is $30 ship. It's Waffle Flower Stamp and Die Set, Hello Friends. So if you have purchased Waffle Flower Stamp and Die Sets, you know they are pretty costly. So let's see. So this one is called, once again, Hello Friend. Has a lot of sentiments on here. You're my favorite. You've always been there for me, I think. Thank you for always being there. And then it has the matching die set. So this is Hello Friend by Waffle Flower, and it's lot 2, $30 ship. Then we have lot 3, which is 7 stamp sets. It's $25 ship, and it starts off with this Crafter's Companion, Happy Birthday. Hello from me to you. Thank you very much. And these stamp sets, let's see, are 2-piece. So you have the large sentiment and then the smaller one. I have this stamp set from Honeybee, and it's called I don't know. Oh, bless your heart. So it has the big bless, and then blessings, blessed, and then some smaller sentiments under there. I don't know if you can read that, so let's show that there. And then this stamp set, this one is from Reverse Confetti, One Day at a Time. 6 stamp sets there, 6 stamps, or maybe 7. Okay, One Day at a Time, Reverse Confetti. And then this one is Jelly Bean Soup, and it's handwritten sentiments. Super cute. Hello there. Friends make the world a better place. How sweet is that? And then last but not least, we have the My Favorite Things stamp set. Birthday greetings. I really like this one a lot. Have a lovely birthday. And so that's lot 3, $25 ship. Then lot 4 is one item. It's $30 ship. And it's the Precision Glue Press. So I recently purchased this. I was super excited to receive it. And then I really didn't care for it. So I'm ready to give it a new home. I did use it, and I'll show you how much glue is left in the bottle here. I mean, it's just barely used. And it's the Nouveau Deluxe adhesive. But like I said, you can tell that it hasn't been used a lot. I just used it to test it. And then you have your clear bottle, your empty bottle, and then the actual Precision Glue Press. So this is $30 ship, and this is lot 4. And then we have lot 5. This is 13 die sets. This is $30 ship. Lot 5, $30 ship. And then have these arches. This is I think this is Alley. And then here's another one. It's a memory decks, but it's a book. Super cute. And then this is a tag. This is KS Craft layering tag. Makes some really adorable tags. Have this Altenew die set. It's for sentiments, to cut out your sentiments. Super nice. I have this, I bought 2 accidentally, and I use this a lot. And this is a Lawn Fawn stamp set, die set. I don't know the name for it, but I know it's a Lawn Fawn, but I don't have the packaging for it. This is a Gina Marie die, the little onesie with the star. Another one with the monster trucks. Scrap Diva design. And this is just for tags, and it's 2 pieces. So you layer it, the front and then the back. And then this is Altenew inline alpha dies. These are super pretty. And I like that they're all, I didn't cut them apart because it's just as easy to run them all through and just have the extras. And then this Sizzix Thin Lint. And this one is called, I don't know. I can't see it. Should have wrote these down. Been more prepared. And this is a pixie dust design tag layer. You can make a shaker with it. And then last but not least, oh no, not last, sorry, more to come. This is a Lawn Fawn, and it's the, I can't see the name of it. I want to say it's the milk carton. Yeah, milk carton. It's 2 pieces, front and back there. Super cute. And then last but not least, this Altenew layered wood flower die set. So you can make the really pretty flowers with that. So that's lot number 5, and that's it. So if you're interested, once again, if you would email me at fphandmade@gmail.com. I will disable the comments below, so you have to email me. Must be 18 years old, US only, PayPal, friends, and family. And once you email me, you have 1 hour after I send you the email confirmation to pay. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.